Hello students, now let's see the third part of lesson number 2. Here some facts about animals are given. Let's see what are there. Let's read the lesson, third part. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. So the giant waves means tsunami. Slammed means reached or entered. So the tsunami, before the tsunami enters in the coast of India and Sri Lanka, many wild and domestic animals were reacting in a way that it seems that they could know what is about to happen and they ran away to the safer place. They fled to safety. Fled means ran away. They ran away to the safer place. According to eyewitnesses' accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelter and could not be enticed to come back out. So here are some facts about an animals. Let's see what are reaction of some animals during the tsunami. So elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. So while the giant waves or tsunami came at that time, elephants screamed and means they cried and ran for higher ground, and dogs refused to go outdoors. Dogs does not come out of the house. Then flamingos, what they react? So they are abandoned their low-lying breeding area. Abandoned means left. So they left their low-lying areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelter and could not be enticed to come back out. So these are the reaction of the different animals. So zoo animal, what they do, they did not came out from their shelter. Okay, so these are the reaction of some animal when giant waves or tsunami came. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. So some people believe that animals have sixth sense. So, who experienced that animal could sense disaster long before human can realize. Here are some facts about that. So, some people have experienced that animal can sense or sixth sense about the disaster long before human can realize. Humanને realize થાય એ પહેલાં કોને ખ્યાલ આવી જાય એનિમલ્સને. So some people experienced about that. Your sixth sense means keen intuition. Sixth sense means keen intuition. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણને જ્યારે ક્યારેક એવું લાગે કે આજે આપણી સાથે બહુ કંઈક સારું થશે અથવા તો આજે આપણી સાથે બહુ ખરાબ કંઈક થશે, આવું ઓટોમેટિક આપણને ફીલ થાય. બરાબર થાય ને આવું કોઈક વાર આપણને. સો આ ઓટોમેટિક જે ફિલિંગ છે ઇટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ સિક્સ સેન્સ. ઓકે, સો સમ પીપલ બિલીવ દેટ and they experienced that animals and birds have strong sixth sense than men. Okay, so they realize and they sense before, long before man realize about the disaster. માણસોને ડિઝાસ્ટર આવે એનું ખ્યાલ આવે એના ઘણા સમય પહેલાંથી એનિમલ્સ એન્ડ બર્ડ્સને એનો ખ્યાલ આવી જાય. ઓકે, સો સમ પીપલ બિલીવ ધેટ, કોઈ કેટલાક લોકો આવું બિલીવ કરે છે. ઓકે, એન્ડ સમ એક્સપર્ટ બિલીવ ધેટ એનિમલ્સ મોર એક્યુટ હિયરિંગ હેલ્પ ધેમ to hear or feel the earth's vibration. Some experts they believe that they have more acute hearing. એવો પાસે acute hearing expert. They were expert in hearing. ઓકે, બહુ સરસ સાંભળી શકે કોણ? એનિમલ્સ. એન્ડ એક્યુટ હિયરિંગ હેલ્પ્સ ધેમ ટુ હિયર ઓર ફીલ અર્થ્સ વાઇબ્રેશન. અને આ એક્યુટ હિયરિંગના કારણે એવું શું કરી શકે? ધે કેન ફીલ ધ વાઇબ્રેશન ઓફ અર્થ. સો સમ એક્સપર્ટ believe that they can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. So, their expert hearing, their sixth sense, then they approaching disaster means they are coming disaster long before human realize what is going on. આપણે સમજી શકીએ કે શું થાય એના બહુ આગળથી, ઘણો સમય પહેલાંથી the animals and birds can approaching disaster sense. એમને આવનારું જે ડિઝાસ્ટર છે એનું સેન્સ મળી જાય, એનો ખ્યાલ આવી જાય. ઓકે, we cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. We don't know what is true, whether the animals have sixth sense or they have expert hearing. But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. So here are some facts given. We don't know what is true. Is the animal have acute hearing, or they are expert, or they have power to prediction? Okay, they have sixth sense. We don't know what is true, but there are some facts given here about the animals, that when giant waves, when tsunami came into Indian Ocean, there are 150,000 people were died in dozen country, but there were many animals have been reported, not many animals have been reported dead. ઘણા બધા animals death થયા ન હતા. So that was the fact. Along India's Cuddalore coast, when thousands of people perished means died. In which beach? કયો beach છે? Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished means dies. But buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. So at the coast of Cuddalore, ઇન્ડિયાના ક્યુડાલોરા કોસ્ટ ઉપર જ્યારે વેવ્સ આવ્યા, at that time thousands of people were flushed away, or they perished or died, but buffaloes, goats and dogs were found unharmed. બફેલોઝ હતા, ડોગ્સ હતા, ત્યાં ગોડ્સ હતી, એમને કંઈ પણ થયું નહીં. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. So there are thousands of animals and birds in Yala National Park in Sri Lanka. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patnangala beach inside the park. There were thousands of animals and birds in the park, and when tsunami came, only two animals dead body can be found, but there were 60 visitors who were washed away, who was swept away, and no animal carcasses or bodies means carcasses means bodies of dead animal. So no animal carcasses were found except for two water buffalo. Let's turn the page. Okay, no animal carcasses were found. Carcasses means body of dead animal, dead body of animals. So no animal dead body were found except for two water buffalo. There were only two water buffaloes, two animals were died in that tsunami, whereas 60 humans were flushed away or swept away. डूबी गया. How many peoples? 60 visitors, and only two animals dead body can be found there. So that is the fact. About an hour before the tsunami hit, People at Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from the Patnangala beach. So, at Yala National Park, જે visitors હતા, they observed that 1 hour before the tsunami hit that beach. 1 કલાક પહેલાં સુનામી આ બીચ પર આવી તેના 1 કલાક પહેલાં આ જે 3 elephants હતા they ran away from the beach. So એમને 1 કલાક પહેલાં ખબર પડી ગઈ કે સુનામી આવે છે. So here we can see that it is the fact. Okay, and many people, the visitor of that Yala National Park, they observed that that 3 elephants have ran away from the beach. That is the fact. So એમને 1 કલાક પહેલાં ખબર પડી ગઈ. It is proved that they can sense the disaster or tsunami long before man can realize. આપણે રિયલાઇઝ કરીએ પહેલાં એમના ઘણા સમય પહેલાં એમને ખ્યાલ આવી જાય. That is the fact. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galley said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They are usually excited to go on this outing, he said. So, this is the statement by a Sri Lankan gentleman. What did he say? That he lives on the coast near Galley, and what did he say? He said that his 2 dogs would not go for the daily run on the beach. They were usually excited to go on this outing, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. Probably means surely. So, these 2 dogs saved his gentleman's life. This is the statement by Sri Lankan man, that his 2 dogs are generally very exciting to go for daily outing on the beach. રોજ ફરવા માટે જાય ક્યાં? તો બીચ ઉપર. And generally the 2 dogs were very exciting. બહુ એક્સાઇટ હોય એમની આ આઉટિંગ માટે. But on the day of tsunami, they were refused to go on beach. Okay, what happened? He don't know, but 2 dogs refused to go on beach on the day of tsunami. Thus, the dogs can save this man's life. Okay, this is the fact story. So, we have seen many facts here which can prove that animals and birds can sense disaster long before human. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson. The exercise of this lesson we will discuss later. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, children.